Hey there, doing eBay Group Rig 48, 1112 certified. Here's your last team auctioned off. Alright, good luck to everyone. Serial number. Base. Here we have Immortals for the Hurricanes. Ronnie Francis. Decoy. Base. Base pack, decoy. Here we have for the Calgary Flames, René Bourque NHL die cut jersey. Number 10 out of 25. Base. Here we have for the Canadiens, Max Pacioretty, Mirror Blue. This number is 45 out of 99. Decoy. Oh. Here we got a rookie jersey auto for the Nashville Predators, Jonathan Bloom. That's number 331 out of 499. That's not the greatest to get. Mirror red for the Flames, René Bourque. Number 51 out of 191. Decoy. Base. Here we got for the Nashville Predators, Mirror red dual jersey, Pekka Rinne. Numbered 127 out of 150. Well, sure not sharing the hits here tonight. Base. Base. Here we have a Mirror Blue jersey for the Wild, Danny Heatley. That's numbered 50 out of 99. We got Mass Marvels for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. Decoy, base. Last pack. See something nice. Here we got for the Vancouver Canucks, Freshman Signatures Auto, Jan Suave, and that's not numbered. And base. Alright, thanks everyone for joining. Cards will be shipped out tomorrow. Have a good night.